Students, so we have a question over here. Question says that three blocks are placed on one another, basically as shown in the figure. So they're asking for the force on the 3 kilogram block due to 5 kilogram block. So let's start solving the question from the starting, from the scratch. So we have a 5 kg block, then over it we have a 3 kg block, then over it we have a 2 kg block. Okay, this is 2 kg, this is 3 kg, this is 5 kg. Now we need to calculate the force on this 3 kg just because of this. First of all, let's summarize this entire thing by the help of FBD. So I'm taking 5 kg block first of all. So 5G is acting downward because of its own weight, and because of this ground, there is a normal acting on this block. So the value of normal is simply 5G. But that's incorrect. Why? Because there is a 3 kilogram block also placed over it. So let's say there is a n1 normal is acting because of that. So I can write now 5G plus n1. Now that is correct. Okay. Now let's see the 3 kilogram block. So if I consider a 3 kg block, so 3G is acting downward. The normal n1 is acting upward. That is because of the 5 3 kg contact, and because of 2 kg there is a normal n2 is acting. So from here I can write that n1 is equal to n2 plus 3g. Okay. Now let's take into consideration the 2 kg block. So as far as 2 kg is concerned, so 2g is acting downward and normal n2 is acting upward. The value of n2 is clearly coming out to be 2g, and the value of n1 is coming clearly out to be how much? 2g plus 3g, that is 5g. That is the value of n1. What we need to calculate? The force on 3 kilogram due to 5 kilogram. How much force is acting because of 5 kg? 5 kg is acting the force, that is this n1. The what is the value of n1 we are getting? That is 5g. 5g means 5 into 10. So this becomes 50 Newton. So correct answer for given question is option number C. Hope this answered your question. Thank you very much.